Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And today we're gonna be talking about how an electric vehicle works. Part 1. Electric vehicles are becoming more and more popular every day, and for good reason. They're better for the environment. They're cheaper to operate, and they're just plain cool. But have you ever wondered how they work? It's actually pretty simple. There are 4 main components to an electric vehicle: the battery pack, the electric motor, the controller, and the charger. Let's take a look at each one of these. First is the battery pack. The battery pack is what stores energy and powers the electric motor. It is typically made up of lithium-ion cells, which are the same type of cells used in many electronic devices such as laptops and cell phones. The battery pack provides power to the electric motor whenever it needs it. This isn't like a gas-powered car which uses gasoline to create an explosion that powers the engine. The second component is the electric motor. The electric motor is what actually powers the wheels of the vehicle. It converts electrical energy from the battery pack into mechanical energy, which turns the wheels. Electric motors are much simpler than internal combustion engines and have fewer moving parts, making them more efficient. Plus, they produce no emissions, meaning the only thing coming out of the tailpipe is air. The third component is the controller. The controller is what regulates the flow of energy from the battery pack to the electric motor. It also receives input from the driver, such as when they want to accelerate or decelerate, and sends signals to the electric motor to make the appropriate adjustments. Think of the controller like the brain of the operation. It receives input from the driver, processes that information, and sends out commands to the rest of the system. The fourth component is the charger. The charger is what replenishes the battery pack when it runs low on energy. It connects to the vehicle via a charging cable, which can be plugged into a standard wall outlet or a special charging station. When the vehicle is plugged in, electricity flows from the charger into the battery pack, where it's stored until it's needed. Now that we know the basics, let's see how it all works together. Let's say you're driving your electric vehicle and you want to accelerate. You press down on the accelerator pedal, which sends a signal to the controller. The controller then sends a signal to the electric motor, telling it to increase speed. The electric motor draws energy from the battery pack and converts it into mechanical energy, which turns the wheels and propels the vehicle forward. If you want to slow down or stop, you release the accelerator pedal, which sends a signal to the controller. The controller then sends a signal to the electric motor to reduce speed. You can also use the regenerative braking system to slow down. This system uses the electric motor to generate electricity, which is sent back to the battery pack. So not only does this help to slow down the vehicle, but it also helps to charge the battery pack at the same time. So that's how an electric vehicle works. It may seem complicated, but it's really just a simple system of battery, motor, controller, and charger working together to provide a clean, efficient ride. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. We'd also like to thank our supporters for their generous support. If you'd like to support us, please visit our support page. In the next video, we're going to talk about the different types of electric vehicles, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.